Let's move ahead to our next flower. Here we are making the upper part of the flower and then joining the bottom from the upper part. After that, when it is done, you can color it with any color you want. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a flower starting from the middle and then going towards the petals. When the petals are ready, just draw some leaves around it and a stem, and then you can color it as per your choice, and it's done. Thanks for watching. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are drawing a rose. First we are starting from the middle and then we are moving ahead to the outer petal. After that we are making the covering, stem, and then the leaves. Now you can color it with any color you want. Let's move ahead to our next flower. Here we are making jasmine flowers. For that, first you need to make the flowers and then the petals, and then we are making the stems of this flower. Also we are making some immature flowers. Then after completing the stems, add some more leaves and small seeds, and it's done.